So much information is coming out these days. Are we getting closer to what really happened to Summer Wells? I have something new to share with you today, and it is rather chilling. I had a chat with Mary, Don's sister, today, after I heard she called into a live stream yesterday, and shared some information regarding a call Don had with his father. Mary claims Don called her father, and said Candus was mean and evil. He also said that he thinks Candus put Summer down a septic sewer. Alarm bells started going off in my head, and honestly my mind is still going crazy. So, where is the septic sewer, and does Candus know where it is? I think she definitely knows where it is, and I will show you. According to Realtor.com, there is a septic sewer on 209 Ben Hill Road. These pictures from the website look awfully familiar. That's because we've come across it before on Candus Bly's Facebook page. Back in August of 2020, Grandma Candy, Candus and all the kids went to 209 Ben Hill Road, and even took loads of pictures outside these wooden cabins. Mary would like the FBI to speak to her father, and she thinks the authorities need a search warrant to search the septic sewer. According to TBI, they searched the basement, crawl space, all vehicles, outbuildings, barrels, and other items located on the property. There has been no specific mention of septic sewers on Ben Hill Road.